This is absolute nonsense. This guy thinks that the average person does not need an educated, experienced, qualified mortgage advisor unless they're in complicated financial circumstances. That is rubbish. This guy also thinks that the average person should just go to a mortgage comparison website and do it all themselves. Rubbish. I'm going to tell you a few reasons why you need a mortgage advisor and why you should not do it all yourself. I'm also going to tell you why I don't think you should use a mortgage comparison website. Number one, a mortgage broker or a mortgage advisor has access to mortgage deals and exclusive rates that you do not have access to yourself. The reason for that is because you have one mortgage, whereas mortgage advisors and mortgage brokers arrange hundreds of mortgages every single year. So therefore, the mortgage lenders want to offer those mortgage advisors better rates, exclusive deals that only mortgage advisors have access to. You do not have access to the entire mortgage market. And if you did, you would have to go through every single mortgage lender and every single mortgage product and apply for it in the hope that you get the best deal. But you don't. So you should use a mortgage advisor, because the chances are you are going to end up paying more money on your mortgage, on your monthly payments overall in your entire mortgage than if you just use a mortgage advisor. Number two, a good mortgage advisor understands the entire mortgage industry. They're experienced with every single mortgage lender. They understand how each mortgage lender operates and how they underwrite and their processes and systems. They know how to get you the right mortgage, the right amount of mortgage, the right rate, the right fees, everything. They know how to do it properly. You do not. A good mortgage advisor is able to get you the right amount. You might be looking for a property way below what is available to you because you don't know how each mortgage lender works inside and out. But they also know how to process the application. They know how to complete mortgages because they do it day in, day out. It's their sole reason for existence. You do not. Number three, yes, you could go and use a mortgage comparison website and do it all yourself. Yes, you could completely skip the mortgage advisor. And yes, you could go and search through all of these different mortgage lenders, all of these different mortgage deals, and do it all yourself. Don't worry about working with someone who knows exactly how to get you the right mortgage. Don't worry about working with someone who is able to access exclusive mortgage deals that you don't have access to. Don't worry about working with someone who understands how to apply for the mortgage to get what you need. Don't worry about somebody who can advise you on how to protect yourself and your family in all instances. And also, if you're going to go to a mortgage comparison website and skip somebody who is experienced in mortgage comparison, then maybe you should know what risks you're taking on yourself, because there are two parties involved in the mortgage comparison websites. Party number one is the mortgage comparison website themselves. Now, they are a business. Their job is to present all of the information to you in a way that makes you take the mortgage through their comparison website. So that's their job. It's marketing. You are looking through a marketing expert's product. You are searching through all of these mortgage lenders, and they have been specifically designed to make you buy. That's it. And then the other party is the mortgage lender themselves. They are professional mortgage lenders. They know how to use the mortgage comparison websites to make you choose their product. They know that you are rate hunting. You are looking for the best mortgage interest rate you can possibly find. So they're going to offer you 3%. Oh, and by the way, you've got a $2,500 fee for this. You've got a $1,500 fee for that. And at the end of the mortgage, we're going to charge you for this. If you ever repay your mortgage, we're going to charge you double. It's all these things that they hide that you don't know, and you'll never know Well, unless you read through every single clause and term and sentence and word in their 69-page contract, which you never do. So really what you are is an inexperienced customer, and you are looking through professional salespeople's digital marketing on a comparison website. They do this day in, day out. That's what they do. That's what their job is. And mortgage lenders pay millions to get you to take whatever mortgage they want you to take, because they know that there are people out there like you who think, well, I don't need a mortgage advisor. I can do it all myself. It's unbelievable. So get yourself a good mortgage advisor. Don't try and do it yourself. Hey, you can use my mortgage advisor if you want. I will just connect you by email if you want. I'll just send an email to you, connect you with that mortgage advisor, and leave you guys to talk. Or go and get your own mortgage advisor, but don't do it yourself. Don't trust that the mortgage lenders are all going to be super honest and super transparent with you. Don't trust that the mortgage comparison websites have your interests at heart. They do not. They only have their own. And with a mortgage advisor, they are regulated and legally obliged to act in your interests. So if you want to use my mortgage advisor, please just get in contact with me. You can email me. It's tom@soanegroup.co.uk, or you can comment below, or you can message me through Facebook or anywhere you see me on social media. Or do you know what? Just email me. It's easiest, and I'll speak to you soon.